Now I can get that crown for sure, and the jewels.
Oh no you don't.
Oh no you don't. Oh yes I can, and I'm going to anyway. Very well for your little crown and jewels.
Get him. Please.
Today on Made-Well News, breaking news, the crown jewels were stolen during the wedding of Meghan and Harry.
Come in.
Welcome! Hello, Your Highness.
Okay.
What has happened here?
I am very upset. Someone has stolen the crown jewels and made off with them quite speedily.
I want that badgy Farnham and I'm feeling miffed.
Don't worry, we're fine. I'll take you out.
Thank you very much. That'll be very kind of you.
I got the jewels.
Yes,
After her.
I want to race you for them jewels.
My car's faster than your car.
I'll race you for them jewels because I'll race for them.
I'll race you.
And there's no way you'll beat me.
Oh yeah, but my car's more faster than your car.
Yeah, maybe, but this is one more.
Oh yeah, whatever, love.
Well, whatever. It don't matter.
Alright, I'll beat you.
Still won.
Alright, we'll do it. Come on, let's race.
Where we're going?
One, two, three. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on! Oh, come on! Come on, you stupid bloody car! Come on! Hey,
What?
cool race.
I
Yeah.
won.
You can have those jewels.
I won. I'll race you for the jewels.
Yeah, you can have them.
I'll race you for the jewels.
So what? I've got a better car than you have. You're
Well,
just a
I
little
know.
tiny little one.
Yeah, but this carries more people.
Oh yeah, whatever. Yeah, I know. Yeah. This is not my car.
Can I have your license and insurance, please?
No.
You're an idiot.
Oh no, I'm not. Coppers.
Silence in court. Jury foreman, for the terrible crime of stealing the crown jewels, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty. No. No. Get off me. No, please. Anything but
I
that.
sentence you to life imprisonment at Dartmoor Prison, hard labour, no parole.
No, anything but that, please! I beg of you!
Take
It was
her
an
down.
accident! No! No!
I won the race, so you can have the jewels back.
You were knight in shining armour.
I knight these turrets of Made-Well.
Hooray!